Ayaw-ayaw ka pa.
Ano, do we keep this?
Oo, uwi mo.
Ha?
Fillet natin.
Oh, do we have it? That's actually good size greenback too.
What's up guys? Welcome back to another video with my son again. Walleye guys, walleye. So we're at Buns Creek right now. First time for him trying today. Sorry, my voice a bit hoarse. Not feeling well today. So sit back and relax. Naka-walleye ka agad ah. Galing mo ah. Tayo makita. Oh my goodness, ang bango ko.
Lapit mo kasi doon.
Holy. Ito.
Oh my gosh. Hindi ako naka-DC, baka clash yun.
Yun. Kawan. Oh, walleye nga naman.
Walleye na naman. Not good either though. Ay hindi. Tago mo. Kakatayin ko yan.
Meron nga. Walleye boys. Walleye, ball. Walleye, walleye. Walleye.
Meron pa rin.
Walleye.
Oh my god. Ayan yan o. So,
Doon, may halala ko. Hindi sa camera, harap.
saan camera?
Kasi mo yun, saan si taas?
Number 2.
Yeah.
Tatagayin ko.
Gusto ko saksakin pa, chilo ako sa puso.
Hindi, amo sila.
Oy, ano ako ngayon, Maki? Episode 2. Yeah.
These are greenbacks.
Okay. Second fish na ako. Second fish, boys.
Malaki to.
Oh,
Wala naman.
is malaki. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, boys. Good. Ito ang good eater.
Pero yung isa, pwede na to.
Oh, ma. We're slaying them here, boys. Walleye.
Nakalimutan kung gaano kasarap ang feeling ko.
We are catching them here. What the heck? Update. We already have 4 fish. Andito lang po kami. We're here at Buns Creek right now. Buns Creek. And, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lipat bahay. Bula. Ha? Doon. Kita mo ba yan? There is the spot. Yeah, I think it's water level is down. Come on. Let's go. New spot. Try for a few minutes. Pero bring that. Tignan natin kung okay ba dito. Let's try it. Mababaw. Let's do it. Yeah. Lab. Ganyan yung spot. Ayun, dito. But
What is it? It's a trail.
kaya nga. Ano tingin mo?
Wala.
Wala, mababaw to eh, no?
Sinong mag-ano dyan?
Ano, okay na? Let's go back there, doon tayo sa loob. Yeah, we explored the other side of this road. And wala, mababaw. So, we're gonna go back on the other side. Let's see. Apat na isda. In less than 30 minutes. Like, ano yung paghagis mo?
Pag-agis ko yung... No, yung una, he missed it. Tapos, sinagis ko ulit. Yun na.
We were just going for a stroll. Actually, for a driving lesson. But I decided, let's just give it a shot.
Nauwi sa pin.
On the other side, may pupuntahan kami ni Maki. Yung dating pinaghagisan ko. What's back here is the Red River. Kaya nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo nila rin. Marami pa akong ginapapakita sa inyo. Somebody's fishing there na. Let's try. I need help. There's a walleye. Wait, thank you. Okay. Fifth one, fifth walleye, Bunns Creek. Diyan sila. Ano? 9 o'clock na. Tara na. Yun. One for the road pa. Oops. Yeah. Umabol pa. One for the road, boys.
Okay.
Di, balik mo na yan.
Ito mo muna.
Isa. Sixth one. 6 walleyes in total. So, yeah. Urban Fishing Episode 2. Yeah. Paano mag-release? Release mo na yan, si Pogi. Bye-bye.
Ikadadali ko paano ba eh?
So, yeah. That's a wrap. This is a quick session. Time check, it's 9:10. 9:10 in the evening. We got here around 8. Good day. We caught like 5 walleyes, all good sizes. Thank you for tuning in with us. See you on the next video, guys.